He turned to Google and started searching for Silk Road. One day, after digging almost 1,000 pages back on Google, that's dedication. Because sometimes you go to page 2 and you're like, I'm tired, right? Yeah, I don't think I've ever gone to page 3. Have you? You're psychotic if you do. Gary, going way back, discovered postings on a Bitcoin forum that dated back in 2011. Now, the person making the post was talking about magic mushrooms, asking questions about how to make them and how to sell them on the